How to fix safe site or online application not working when using Bitdefender. Bitdefender Online Threat Prevention ensures a safe browsing experience by alerting you about potential malicious web pages. However, there is a small chance to mark a safe website or online application as unsafe. This will cause web protection to block them incorrectly. Should the same page, domain, IP address, or online app be blocked repeatedly, they can be added to exceptions so that they will not be scanned by the Bitdefender engines, thus ensuring a smooth web browsing experience. To add an exception, 1. Click Protection on the navigation menu on the Bitdefender interface. 2. In the Online Threat Prevention pane, click Settings. 3. Click Manage Exceptions. 4. Click plus Add an exception. 5. Type in the corresponding field the name of the website, the name of the domain, or the IP address you want to add to exceptions. 6. Enable the switch next to Online Threat Prevention. 7. Click Save to save the changes and close the window. Only websites, domains, IP addresses, and apps that you fully trust should be added to this list. These will be accepted from scanning by the following engines: threat, phishing, and fraud.